Hi everyone, I'm now in an IC train to go to the Nuremberg in Germany to visit the city and also visit my friends. So let's see the city all together. The train has a lot of delay, near 40 minutes, 4 and 0 delay. I just walk. I really get tired. Near 5 hours I just sitting, just walking through the train. I found a place for the children to playing. Yeah, but there isn't any child here, and it's beautiful. As you can see, they prepare it for the children. Nice. You can see the good weather in Nuremberg. As you can see, the weather is really nice. Foggy and a bit rainy. And the city. I come out to just see the city. I didn't select to which places to go. Just said, okay, let's go to the city and see what can I explore without any planning and try to be adventurous. It is kind of opposite of the, Austria. Each city that I went there, I had a lots of plan to see areas, but here I didn't plan for anywhere. So I just started to went there. Let me pass the street. This is really nice city. I like it. And also, today is my birthday, 25th of October, and I'm quite really happy about that. So I want to see. Here is really like the autumn, and the really colorful trees areas you can see. Let's see. As you can see, it is one of the next Bahnhof or train station, and kind of here the city center. That's inside of the city. Kind of historical and as old. Believe me, I didn't have any plan for these places. I just walking and accidentally I found these places. Look at the differences, the colors, you know. And here the green one, the red, and these are just small, nice. Oh, here is a more yellow part. There again, yellow here. Oh no, why did I get really beautiful? Let's continue walking. Here is the library. Look at the locks. We are shown Monthly and Emily. Let's add this one. Forever, I can just read the forever. This one shows that very old. What about this? I'm inside of the cage. So I'm joking. Yeah, I don't know what is there, but good. The yellow cage. Well, this video will be end here. For the further videos on Nuremberg, please watch the others videos. Thanks for all your support, likes, and comments. If you have any suggestion for a next traveling, please mention it on the comments. See you